Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kikoff's credit building tools. Alright, let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. So first you're going to do is to log into your Kikoff account, and then you're going to click on credit building tools. So you can log into your Kikoff account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to credit building tools. Then you're going to review the credit building resources and tips that are available to use. You can just go through them, find out what they are and whatnot, and you can use the credit score simulator to estimate your credit score. That's a pretty useful tool to help you with your credit score. And you can review and understand the credit building terms and conditions. That's going to give you a better idea of what's going on with Kikoff and how to use that for your credit. And you can contact Kikoff's customer support if you have any questions or concerns about any other issues and things you will need to sort out. And don't forget to review and monitor your credit score, just to sort out whatever issues that you might be facing. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Kikoff's credit building tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.